Speaking of gaming, Activision has confirmed another Call of Duty coming this year. You know, they're just printing money with the Warzone stuff. Mm-hmm. I don't know if you knew that.
Yeah. And then they have
apparently
the zombies mode.
Apparently there's never been more Call of Duty players than there are right now.
Really?
So they're hitting a peak, and obviously Warzone a big part to play. Some people thought Warzone was cooking so hot that there would be no need for another release. But on the Q4 2020 earnings call, the Activision CFO, Dennis Durkin, he talked about Call of Duty and said they have a strong premium release planned for Q4 2021, and they will migrate the existing COD community to that game. So a premium game coming as a companion. Warzone is still going to be there, obviously. Durkin said the franchise will benefit from a full year of Warzone, driving upgrades to our premium content and incremental in-game player investment. I actually saw popular YouTuber Vicstar was talking about how he quit. I don't know if he's back, but he quit playing Warzone because he was upset about cheaters in the game. And it was funny because I was looking on the Twitter feed, and actually the BBC picked up the story and was like, popular COD player quits the game. You can see it made the news. Quits the game because it's saturated with cheating. I think it made it on the BBC specifically. But it looks like you wrote, what did you write? Cheater. Yeah, Vicstar, cheating, BBC. Anyway, he quit, and he was he was doing big numbers, by the way, on the game.
Yeah.
And so it was a kind of a big deal that he was going to quit. Obviously, everyone in his channel wants to see him play it, but he was frustrated with what was going on with Warzone specifically. Activision, I know, reached out to him because I saw him mention that on Twitter as well, that he's in touch with them and they're trying to sort it out, and they're going to try to get to the bottom of whatever exploits exist in the game right now. I haven't played Warzone in a while, so I can't speak to it.
Yeah.
But
this guy has a lot of accolades with Warzone. Like he did like achievements that no one has ever done before. He was first of doing a lot of things.
A super nice guy too. I actually hung out with him. Yeah, at one of those creator summits in New York. So I can speak to his character as well.
Nice guy.
Yeah, very nice guy, and one heck of a COD player.
Oh yeah.